Tricia tells me that she has a method of planting seeds very evenly, but Tricia, it really looks like an arts and crafts project here.
Well, this is a project that's part crafts and part garden, and would be something really fun to do with the children.
Oh, that's good.
What this is, I'm creating a seed tape, and what the seed tape will do is prevent us from having to thin them out once we're in the garden. You know how you always plant them and then you have to take out the little plants?
Yeah, never understood that.
Yeah, well, this way they're already exactly how you want them to be. So we've spaced these out on this 1-inch strip of biodegradable newspaper that you couldn't put in the garden. And then I've made a very simple paste that every mother and child knows how to make, a paper mache type paste of flour and water to the consistency of gravy. This is about a ½ cup. And I'm going to put in a little bit of all-purpose fertilizer.
Oh, okay, to give the seeds a little bit of a head start.
Right,
there.
so if you get those seeds ready, I'm just going to daub a little bit of this flour paste on here, and we get them all set up. This is something you might do on, Friday and then Saturday. By that time the paste would be dry, and you can just go out to the garden and start planting them in their little rows.
So all you have to do is just let this dry a little bit and then just lay these down and put a little dirt on top.
Right, and you can do this in any kind of pattern. If you want to create a very beautiful pattern, you can do that too.